Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Mashur Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Mashur English, a channel for teaching English language and literature. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about optative sentence. What is optative sentence? The sentence which indicates prayer, wish, or blessing is called optative sentence. For example, let me write on the whiteboard. Optative sentence. O P T A T I V E S E N T E N C E. Optative sentence. The sentence which indicates prayer, wish, or blessing is called optative sentence. For example, may Allah bless you. Then long live our country. Dear students, I have already written the definition of optative sentence with its example. What is optative sentence? The sentence which indicates prayer, wish, or blessing is called optative sentence. For example, may Allah bless you. The next example, long live our country. Dear students, look at the first sentence, may Allah bless you. If you analyze the sentence, you will find this sentence indicates a blessing. May Allah bless you. It means it indicates blessing. So, this sentence is an optative sentence. The next sentence, long live our country. Long live our country. Dear students, if you analyze the sentence, you will find this sentence indicates wish for the country. So, this is an optative sentence. Besides, an optative sentence starts with may or long. An optative sentence generally starts with the words may or long. Okay, dear students, if you have any question regarding optative sentence, please write in the comment box. I will try my level best to answer. If you would like to learn about optative sentence in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.